Crash courses. Today's crash course is on the Peacock Mantis shrimp. Sandra, don't let its size fool you.
It doesn't, sir. Its punch is so powerful, it can break the glass of an aquarium.
What? Why, that's hooliganism. We're gonna have to put a stop to that.
Sir, stop thinking. Whatever is going on in there can't be good.
I've got it! Sweet jabby dabby. Sandra, I'm gonna start a roving conflict resolution program for little hard-punching Peacock Mantis shrimps everywhere.
Yep. This is a horrible idea.
Well, I'm glad that's settled. Okay, let's hear the fast facts. Fact number 1. Peacock Mantis shrimp can see colors and parts of the light spectrum that humans cannot. Number 2. Peacock Mantis shrimp can punch so hard that even if they miss, the shock wave created in the water can stun other animals. And number 3. In fact, their punch is so hard, it can break the glass in an aquarium. Again with the aquarium cracking. I'm off to show Peacock Mantis shrimp how to use their words and not their claws.
They're shrimp, sir. They don't speak. What's the use?
All right, Sandra, you're about to witness the start of a beautiful relationship between me and this little shrimp. Hey, little guy, I come in peace. You're so cute. You're so cute. Ow! Ha! Fooled ya. Still got my fingers. Wow, somebody definitely needs some help. Uncle.
Sir,
What? Hey! Well, that went pretty well.
it went horribly, sir.